Hey loves, it's your girl MissRessaT. I'm coming today with my summer wash day routine from start to finish. My hair is filthy, stuff is falling out, it's dry. So let's get started with some shampoo. I do use a lot of gel in the summer, so I do shampoo more. On the pops on the screen, you'll see some common things, other shampoos and stuff that I use. I really don't care too much about shampoo. It is what it is. Dove has always been a favorite of mine. This is an old classic VO5 conditioner. Once again, there's a lot of some of the other favorites that I like to use. I'm just switching it up here, trying to get rid of some stuff that I have. As you can see, that VO5 is awesome. This is me detangling my hair with that wonderful slip. I remember everybody used to use it back in the day when they first went natural. And then, but if you care about ingredients, I understand why you don't use that anymore. But it is what it is for me. So this is new for me, this deep conditioner. I got it in an influencer box, so I just wanted to try it out. This is my staple here that's popped up on the screen. So this right here, y'all, this was the thickest deep conditioner I've ever used ever. Like, I read it so many times to make sure it wasn't a butter, and it wasn't. Like, I must say, I really liked it. I felt like it strengthened my hair, like a protein treatment or something. I don't know. I really enjoyed it. So I only let that sit in for like a few minutes. I followed the package. I'm going in with my lock method. So that was my hair milk from Cream of Nature, my oil, giving a good scalp massage, and my shea butter to seal it. After I let that dry a little bit and soak in my hair, I'm going ahead and prepare for my style. I do pretty much two styles in the summer, and that is a wash and go, or I put my hair, or three styles. I put my hair in twist and rock that, or I rock these two slavery braids here. Well, twist, because I don't know how to braid. You guys, this takes forever, and I know my part is not perfect, and I really could care less. But basically, I'm just putting a whole bunch of gel back in my clean hair. But like I said, I like to do that in the summer. I like gel. It helps my hair grow, and it keeps my styles so I can stay out of my hair. So what I'm doing is just flat twisting down. If you're OG, you've seen this style on me. I absolutely love this style. It's very low maintenance. And now that my edges are doing much better, I can rock this style again. So I'm just going to do that whole side. Y'all, to me forever. I was so freaking tired. Alright, now I have both sides all full of gel. Gel down nice and pretty. Yeah, my little side, I try to be cute with it, but whatever. I'll show you here how I go ahead and pin those up. Just using some flat bobby pins, I secure the plaits, well, the twists in the back just by crossing them over. I use about 2 bobby pins on each side to make sure it's good and secure. And I was watching my iPad, y'all. That's why I'm looking that way. Alright, once the hair is all nice and secured here, make sure everything is smoothed down like I want it. Everything in place, I go ahead and secure my hair because pretty much it's going to look like this. I just need to set it with a scarf, so I'm using this silk scarf and put that on my head. And I put my bonnet on top too, but I didn't show that because I tend to always, my scarves already come off. So yeah, you guys, that's my wash routine from start to finish. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe. See you next time.